Leukerbad is a thermal spa resort in the Switzerland Valais region, known for its thermal baths, mountain scenery, and the largest thermal baths in the Alpine region. In this charming alpine village, there's much more to explore as well. With stunning mountain scenery, scenic hikes, and a relaxed atmosphere, Leukerbad is a great addition to any Swiss itinerary. Conveniently located near the car train between central and southern Switzerland, Kandersteg, Goppenstein, and just a small detour on the way to Zermatt, Leukerbad is an easy stop for travelers looking to get a bit off the beaten tourist path in Switzerland. We spent a few fantastic days in Leukerbad, and in this guide, we share the very best things to do in Leukerbad for first-time visitors, including a suggested one-day itinerary to help you make the most of your visit. If you want a more relaxed experience, we recommend staying for 2 to 3 nights to fully enjoy the thermal baths and hiking trails. Pro tip: when you stay at local hotels, you get the Leukerbad guest card, which gives all kinds of discounts, but some hotels offer extra perks, so be sure to check what's included when booking your accommodation. For example, we stayed at Hotel Victoria, which included direct access to the thermal baths and free tickets for the Gemmi cable car, a fantastic value in a perfect location. Leukerbad Therme is Switzerland's largest alpine thermal spa, offering a mix of relaxation and wellness in a stunning mountain setting. This is the main attraction in Leukerbad and is absolutely not to be missed. The complex features several indoor and outdoor pools, as well as whirlpools filled with mineral-rich thermal water, naturally heated to 28 to 44 degrees Celsius, 82 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. There's also a sauna area, steam baths, and a cold plunge. It's a perfect place to start your day or to unwind after an active day in the mountains. It's also a great place for families with children's pools, play areas, water slides, etc. Gemmi cable car and Gemmi Pass viewing platform. From Leukerbad, hop on the Gemmi cable car, which takes you up to Gemmi Pass, 2,350 meters, in just a few minutes. At Gemmi Pass, you'll find a hotel, Gemmi Lodge 2350, with a panoramic restaurant and a souvenir shop. See the Gemmi website for more information about this area, the cable car schedule, etc. The main attraction here is the outdoor observation deck, aka the Hot Spot Gemmi. This suspended viewing platform is located at the back of the restaurant. From here, you can enjoy stunning views over the town 920 meters below and the Valais Alps. On a clear day, you can even see the Matterhorn in the distance. Gemmi Pass hikes. One of the best things to do in Leukerbad in summer is go hiking at Gemmi Pass. There are several options, including longer hikes and via ferratas, but for a short, relaxing visit, we recommend either the loop around Daubency Mountain Lake or a much more scenic hike to Lammeren Hut. For an easier walk at Gemmi Pass, you can opt for the Daubency Loop, a 5.5-kilometer trail that circles the lake. While the scenery is less dramatic compared to other hikes in the area, this peaceful alpine walk is a great way to enjoy the surroundings and takes about 1.5 hours to complete. The southern side of the lake features a wide, flat gravel path, making it an easy walk, even for young children. On the northern side, the trail narrows in some places and has a few steeper drop-offs toward the lake. While not particularly challenging, this section may not be ideal for families with very young kids. Relax at Leukerbad Therm. After a day of hiking and exploring, treat yourself to a few hours of relaxation at Leukerbad Therm, which we already described at the top of this guide. With multiple pools, saunas, and hot tubs, it's the perfect way to soothe sore muscles and take in the peaceful alpine surroundings. Extend your Leukerbad getaway to discover the breathtakingly situated traditional villages of Inden and Albinen. Scenic destination easily reachable from Leukerbad. Inden is a small, picturesque village known for its quiet, traditional atmosphere and picturesque views of the Alps. Is a picturesque and traditional valley village famous for its dramatic cliffside location high above the Rhone Valley. Known for its well-preserved historic wooden houses and stunning panoramic views, it offers a glimpse into authentic Swiss mountain life. Albinen gained international attention a few years ago for offering financial incentives to families willing to move there, aiming to counter depopulation.